Alright, so our phone went off on us because it's basically 10 minutes before screen timeout. So this is part 2 of the recipe for Johnny. So pretty much you can see the potatoes are starting to fry up nicely. We'll know when it's done when we can easily cut through that, which looks like it's getting done pretty good. I'm gonna cut these sausages up and pretty much, mix them up into this stuff, into the potatoes. We already had weed lunch today, weed chicken tacos, so bear with us, we're a little stoned already. Alright, so most of those are soft potatoes at this point, so what we're doing is we're browning them and cooking the juice out and letting the flavor of the bratwurst take hold onto the potatoes along with all the seasoning. And I'm gonna tell you, if you added the weed as much as I did, it's gonna have quite the weed flavor, but it's an acquired taste. The more you eat this, the better you feel, and the better you feel, the less the taste bothers you. Yeah. So, yeah, you have, babe. Yeah, you have. We've been dealing with a little in-home remedy along with professional medical, and even the ladies gotten used to eating them. So that's good, right? Oh, you can smell that goodness. It smells like garlic and pepper and onion and potato and cheddarwurst and parsley. It smells delicious, folks. Damn yellow light coming off of the stove turns everything yellow, but anyway, they're not quite that golden looking, but they're white potatoes with a bunch of oil and shit on them. Alright, hold on, I'll be back. So anyway, pretty much what you're gonna do is at this point, you're cooking what's left of most of the moisture out, and you're trying to brown the potatoes at this point with the onions that are now caramelized and everything. Every once in a while I like to add some honey to this, but as I said, I already got high today, and my ability to measure sometimes this late in the food game is not at its peak. So anyway, I hope you get the gist of it, Johnny. I'm gonna basically take and sprinkle a little pre-shredded cheese I bought from the store like that onto this, and we're gonna pretty much call it good after that. This should be enough for 2 people to eat. Probably 2 meals with the 6 potatoes, so we got breakfast ready to go too. Start the day right. God bless, folks. Medicate safely. If you're out there doing this recreationally, be super safe. You probably don't have the tolerance of some of us medical people. Talk to you next time.